Well, here we are inside the produce prison. Got some of my peppers coming up. I don't think the seedlings are liking this direct sun, so I'll be moving those over. I think they'll come back up. There's old seeds on that far left side, so wasn't too confident in those anyway. Oregano's doing good, as is the basil. It's got a little transplant shot going on. See these 3 tubs right here? That's going to be, one is going to be patty pan squash, which is over to the back side of them. You'll see here in a minute. The other 2 are going to be cantaloupe and cucumbers. Black-eyed peas are going to be going into grow bags. Tomatoes are coming along. I'm going to need to start staking them up pretty soon. I've got a couple of blooms going on there. These guys here, not sure what the difference between that pot and this one is. It's all the same thing, same seeds, same everything, same soil, but those 3 seem to be doing a lot better than the others. Lettuce, I'm going to start thinning that out pretty quick. I think we need some baby lettuce salads coming on pretty soon. Bell peppers, they're digging the sun since we moved them out of the grow room. Corn, like I said, no high hopes for that stuff there. The onions, I think that's going to be a bust this year. Marigolds are coming along. Hopefully we'll get those into transplanting some pots pretty soon. Got some real live leaves coming out on them. What says the transfer. Jalapenos, those are definitely looking a lot better. Starting to get some, what looks like we're gonna have some blooms coming out pretty soon. The collards are less than stellar. Don't know what's going on with those. Usually they take off and go great. Out here in the middle, we've got 2 more pots that probably gonna put some peas or something inside of at some point. Once this weather stabilizes, if this weather ever stabilizes. Yukon potatoes, put 2 in that tub, they're coming up finally. Got 2 in there, they're coming up. Zucchini's looking real good. I dropped some fertilizer on the zucchinis and the squashes, and they took off pretty well. And these 2 cups right here are the patty pan squashes. They're gonna get transplanted tomorrow evening. The big plant in the middle, that's a regular yellow squash. And this is also a yellow squash. Excuse the shadow that we've got going on there. But this is the produce prison that we've got set up inside of here. Right down the middle at the peak is where I'm gonna put the beans and the peas, and I'll have some trellises in here. So it's gonna be a little tight walking around, but it's been proven. If you go out and look at my short, you'll see why I've got a produce prison. That is because anything that's outside of here, the critters tend to get into. So that's all for this evening's update. We'll catch you next time. Y'all take care.